Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Sayyid Rashid Bukhari, and in this video, I would like to explain the features of PhpStorm, the database feature of PhpStorm. So, the first thing is that how you can connect the PhpStorm, how you can open the menu. First of all, you need to go to the View menu and Tool windows and open the database, and click on the New database sources and select your desired database. So I am using the MySQL. Here I will add the name, username and password of database and database name. That's fine. So you can test the connection. First of all, you don't have the driver JDBC driver. You can easily download by clicking the link that will show over here and apply. Click on apply and OK. So the database is connected successfully. You can double click on the database name and check the tables and the other information you can check. So you can double click on the table and check the records of the table and apply the queries like order by ID, descending, and click on enter. So you can your all the record is order by descending order will show. So you can easily uh, apply the queries and apply the filters like you can apply where email, where user. You will also have the suggestions. You can select the field and click on enter, so you can filter the records very easily and check the results while you are working. So you can also run the specific queries that are already defined, like select all rows from a table and select first n rows from a table. These type of queries you can also get. You can also easily insert a new row into table and update the rows. These type of queries you can easily get. For example, would like to run this query, so I will get the results over here. So you can also create a new database using this, using new views, schemas, users and roles. You can also export the file as a MySQL dump, run the SQL script, and these type of things. It's very nice while you are working with the database, and it will help you to debug and for other purposes. So you can also connect your local database, or you can connect your staging database or live database using this feature. Just a minute, I would like to show you the my connected staging database. Here is my connected staged database. All the tables, all the information is also here. You can easily check them. So if you have any question and any concern, you can write a comment over here. While you try to connect your staging or on live database, you just need SSH information. So you need to add the SSH information like this one. I will create my SQL connection. Here you need to add the SSH connection first. uh, Using this menu, you will add the SSH connection, and then you will add the other information. So thanks for watching. Thank you.